you can probably tell behind me, we've been clearing everything out of this greenhouse today. So the racks with the plants have gone, they're all outside now, and that rack as well that was over there. So we're clearing it out because we want to get some things planted in here now before it gets much later in season. But first I've got to dig all this over and give it a little weed. We'll give it a bit of a rake as well. And I've still got quite a few tomato plants left, so I might as well get some of them put in here. Not the best looking tomato plants now, been in pots way too long, but I'm sure once we get some in ground they'll pick up. So quick and easy, and they're in. And we've got a couple of really nice looking cucumber plants. So let's get some of them in and all. Get growing as much as we can for the rest of the season. Nicely firmed down. And it's done. And I'll stick one on the other side as well. Just about got enough room there to put one in. And we've still got a few left. Now I'm just going to give them a bit of fertiliser to get them going. All round basic plants. Get that one a bit and all. Then we'll just water them in. So that's all these in, sorted out. And because it's end of May now, we need to get things in as quick as we can. And I've still got one more greenhouse that ain't even planted up yet, but that's going to take a bit more work. I'll show you. And that's this one. I haven't done anything in this greenhouse since last year, so it all needs digging and weeding. And it needs this door fixing as well. So I still haven't got round putting that glass in after wind smashed a few panes out of it. So it looks like this is going to be next job. So I don't want one single area, if I can help it, to not be growing something. But at least now we've got this one sorted out. I've potted on a few more pepper plants as well. And I'll leave them in here for a little bit. But now these tomato plants are in ground, they should pick up and start to look a bit of something. And as I was saying earlier on, it is starting to get a little bit late in season now. 1st of June tomorrow. So we need to get everything that we can in ground now, so we get something by end of year. But because we've now hit June, the temperatures are going up and up, so things are going to grow a lot faster than they have in the previous months. And we've still got that little greenhouse next door to get sorted out and get planted up, which is going to be this week's project. Then I know I've got every greenhouse with something growing in it, so we can maximise that end of season harvest. And if you want to see what we put in that greenhouse over the next few days, then just hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell, and we'll see you on the next video. You all take care. Thank you.